Hi, I'm Thomas van Eetvelde and this is my bike check. I ride with a Stranger Nomad frame. I ride with a Primo Fork Pro, a headset from Primo, a Primo front load stem, the Primo Raber bars 9-inch. I'm gonna cut them a little bit. I ride with the Eclat Zap grips. I got a Primo Pivotal Pro seat, Primo Pivotal. I ride the Primo Pro cranks, Stranger Regram and GG pedals. I ride 4 Primo Pro sleeves. In the front I ride the Primo NLF 4 laced on a Primo balance. In the back I ride with a Free Coaster, a Primo Freemax laced on a Primo balance rim. I ride with 4 hub guards. They come together with the hubs. And I ride with 2 Cult diehards. And yeah, this is my bike check.